Hello, my dear students. Hope you are fine. This is my first class on English for class 12, both English and Bengali medium. Today, I am going to discuss a chapter. The name of the chapter is Strong Roots by APJ Abdul Kalam. What is the full name of APJ Abdul Kalam? Abul Pakir Joinul Abedin Abdul Kalam. So, strong roots. Actually, it indicates strong bonding. It means deeply rooted and firmly established. So, Strong Roots is an autobiographical writing. So, an autobiography is a self written account of the life of oneself. A self written account of the life of oneself. So, what is the source of the text? The source of the text is Wings of Fire. In this text, actually, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam talks about his childhood in his hometown. This text presents a delightful sketch of the author's early life and the development of his spiritual growth. So, let's start. I was born into a middle class Tamil family. I means APJ Abdul Kalam. This is actually autobiographical element. I was born into a middle class Tamil family. In the Iceland town of Rameswaram, in the erstwhile Madras state. Erstwhile means previously or formerly. So APJ Abdul Kalam was born into a middle class Tamil family in the Iceland town of Rameswaram, which was formerly or previously included in the Madras state, in the erstwhile Madras state. My father, his father, APJ Abdul Kalam's father, Joinul Abedin, had neither much formal education nor much wealth. Actually, his father was a very simple man, simple person. He had neither much formal education nor much wealth. Despite these disadvantages, he possessed great innate wisdom. Possessed means acquired. Innate means inherent by birth. He possessed great innate wisdom and a true generosity of spirit. So, despite these disadvantages, he acquired great innate wisdom, and a true generosity of spirit. He had an ideal helmet in my mother, Osimma. So, he had an ideal helmet in my mother, Osimma. The name of Osimma is the name of APJ Abdul Kalam's mother, Osimma. I do not remember the exact number of people she fed every day. But I am quite certain that far more outsiders ate with us than all the members of our own family put together. So, this line indicates that how generous and benevolent his parents were, because the people of outsider ate with us than all the members of our own family put together. Okay, then next, my parents were widely regarded as an ideal couple. So my parents were widely regarded as an ideal couple. My mother's lineage was the more distinguished. My mother's lineage was the more distinguished because one of her forebears, having been bestowed the title of Bahadur by the British, one of her forebears Having been bestowed means achieved, acquired the title. What is the title? Title of Bahadur by the British. This is important for your short question. Mark it. Next. I was one of many children. This paragraph is the description of APJ Abdul Kalam's childhood or life of childhood. I was one of many children, a short boy with rather undistinguished looks. A short boy with rather undistinguished, not popular or famous looks. Born to tall and handsome parents, actually opposite to our parents. So, born to tall and handsome parents, I was a short boy with rather undistinguished looks. We lived in our ancestral house. We lived in our ancestral house, ancient house, which was built in the middle of the 19th century. Actually, the ancestral house was built in the middle of the 19th century. Description of the house. It was a fairly large pucca house made of limestone and brick. It was a fairly large, beautiful house, pucca house, made of limestone and brick on the Mark Street in Rameswaram. It was built on the Mark Street in Rameswaram. My austere father, austere means simple. My austere father used to avoid all inessential comforts and luxuries. Actually, my austere father, my simple father used to avoid all inessential comforts and luxuries. However, all necessities were provided for in terms of food, medicine, and clothing. Food, medicine, and clothing. Basic thing of human life: food, medicine, and clothing. But my father used to avoid all inessential comforts and luxuries. So, in fact, I would say mine was a very secure childhood, materially and emotionally. So, APJ Abdul Kalam claims that his childhood was a very secure, materially, not only materially but also emotionally. I normally ate with my mother, sitting on the floor of the kitchen. I normally ate with my mother, sitting on the floor of the kitchen. This line indicates that they actually lead a very simple life. Led very simple life. So I normally ate with my mother, sitting on the floor of the kitchen. She would place a banana leaf before me. She would place a banana leaf before me, on which she then lattered rice, an aromatic sambar, and a variety of serve, homemade pickle, and a dollop of fresh coconut chutney. This is actually the food items. So that's all. Thank you.